The International Building Code, or IG, Section 1011.25 requires an accessible route to be provided at all emergency exit doorways. IBC Section 1011.26 specifies that ramps or curb ramps are acceptable for providing an accessible route. The Americans with Disabilities Act Standards for Accessible Design, or ADA-SAD, Section 4.32 states that every accessible exit doorway shall be provided with an accessible route that complies with Section 4.31. ADA-SAD Section 4.31c requires that changes in level be accommodated by ramps or curb ramps. If exit lights are installed at the exits, the IBC and ADA require that an accessible route, such as ramps or curb ramps, be provided to ensure that all occupants can safely evacuate the building in an emergency. Therefore, the building inspector's interpretation is correct, and exit ramps must be installed at all of the exit doors where exit lights have been installed. It is important to note that the number of exit lights required is determined by the size and layout of the building and is not directly related to the number of exit doors. The accessible route must be continuous and unobstructed from the exit doorway to a safe area outside the building. Therefore, exit ramps are required at all 5 exit doors where exit lights have been installed to comply with the IBC and ADA.